Tell you what, we're doing this ride this morning downtown Memphis. It's about 10 degrees right now. So I'm starting to layer up. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold. Whew. It's a bit chilly. I ain't gonna lie. About 10 degrees left. It's warmed up to about 14. It's gonna be an epic day though. Get out and ride a little bit. Everything's good though, man. It's not bad. It's a pretty day out here. Pretty day. Let's see here. We got Frenchie's bike. We call him Frenchie. We are ready for the annual ride.
Ready to go.
Superman,
Polar freeze, baby.
Polar Bear, Polar Freeze, all that.
What's going on?
We are ready to hit the road. We are laid out. It's going to be a good day. It's about 14 degrees. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. Oh, God, it's coming. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. That's how it's gonna be done right there. Don't mess with these tatas. No. Yeah, looks like it's warmed up to about 19 degrees. We're just having a little fun today on New Year's Day. Headed down to Mud Island for the annual New Year's Day ski freeze. It's a fundraiser. However, I have learned that the water activity is going to be canceled due to the extremely cold weather. But we're going to stretch it out anyway. Go down here and have a good time. Memphis, Tennessee. There's downtown Memphis coming up on. And hope everybody has a great New Year in 2018. Got Gino up in front. Superman, we call him. Superman. Curious if there's any other riders down here today.
There's a light up here.
Yeah. Yeah, there's the big pyramid here in Memphis. It's a Bass Pro Shop. Bass Pro Shop now. I tell you, we got a couple of weird patches of ice going on. Oh yeah, welcome to Mud Island. Plenty of mud for your enjoyment. I think we got this little roundabout here. Yeah, this is Mud Island, Harbor Island. A lot of condos and apartments down here now. Oh, let's see if we can get a wave. Let's see if we can get a wave in. How about a 2? Oh, we got a 2. Yeah, we got a few bikes here. We got a few. There we go. We survived, Gino.
Well,
we survived, baby. Got up to 19 degrees. 19. 19.
I thought it was warmer than that.
Well, when you're studs like we are. That's right. Next time I'm coming in a tank top.
Yeah, there you go. Or grass skirt.
That's right. Whew. Mercy. Wolf.
Hey, buddy.
What's up, brother?
See ya.
Say hi to you too, Wolf.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. What's up? That's right. Heck yeah. Hey, man. What's going on, brother? How are you, man? Good to see y'all. Good solid time. So what exactly is this function?
This is to raise money for the Dream Factory in Memphis. Grants wishes to sick kids.
Right.
Recipient this year, I believe her name is Kelby.
Okay.
And her wish is to go to Disney World.
Cool.
That's what we're doing this year.
Good deal. Good deal.
Yep.
Had a great show. Still good turnout.
We got barbecue, barbecue, hot chocolate, coffee, pastries. Knock stuff out.
Awesome. Awesome. Oh, man.
Hot chocolate's in the blue, coffee's in.
Coffee. Oh, man.
Hey, we figured that everybody that's brave enough to come down here can drink frou-frou coffee because you're tough enough.
Heck yeah. You dang right. Dang right. Cool poker chip. Everybody's got to have a commemorative poker chip. Awesome. This is Ski Freeze 2018 out of Memphis, Tennessee. Rode 19-degree weather to get the poker chips. That's right. Kickstand pad.
Keychain.
Keychain. Oh, is that a keychain too?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. It is a little nippy down here today.
We got 2 cases of that over there you can bid on.
That wind coming off that river. It's about 19 degrees right now. That's all good. We still got some bikes showing up. The annual ski freeze for the Dream Factory. Like I said, they canceled the ski part. It's just too cold. It's just too cold. Too cold. Woo! A little airish, a little airish. Good times, good friends though. People on bikes. Hey, you give bikers any reason to turn out and ride, they'll be here. They'll be here to support. All right, I think we're going to get out of here. We just want to stop by, give a few bucks, help out a little bit, show up. Good event. Happy New Year 2018, everyone.